Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a crucial upgrade for specific Lenovo ThinkCentre models. The ATEX 16GB, 2x8GB, DDR4 2666 MHz SODIMM RAM kit. If you own a ThinkCentre M70a, M70q, or M920z AIO, and you're feeling a performance bottleneck, this memory upgrade might be just what you need. Let's talk specs. This is a DDR4 kit running at a speed of 2666 MHz. It conforms to the PC4-21300 standard. The kit includes two 8GB SATA modules, totaling 16 GB. This is a non-ECC memory, which is perfectly fine for most everyday tasks and even some more demanding workloads. Why is this upgrade important? The Lenovo ThinkCentre series, particularly the M70a, M70q, and M920z AIOs, are known for their compact design and efficiency. However, the base configurations sometimes skimp on RAM. 8 GB might be sufficient for basic office tasks, but if you're running multiple applications, dealing with large spreadsheets, or doing any kind of content creation, you'll quickly find yourself hitting the memory limit. Installing this ATEX 16GB kit can significantly improve your system's responsiveness. More RAM means your computer can handle more data in memory, reducing the need to constantly access the slower storage drive. This translates to faster application loading times, smoother multitasking, and an overall more fluid computing experience. The SODIMM form factor is crucial here. SODIMM stands for Small Outline Dual Inline Memory Module, and it's the type of RAM used in laptops and compact desktops like the ThinkCentre M70q. Make sure you are buying the correct type of RAM for your system. ATEC is a reputable brand known for producing reliable memory modules. While it might not have the same brand recognition as some of the bigger names, ATEC consistently delivers quality products at a competitive price point. This kit is specifically designed to be compatible with the Lenovo ThinkCentre M70a, M70q, and M920z AIO models, taking the guesswork out of the upgrade process. Before you buy, double-check your ThinkCentre model specifications to ensure compatibility. While this kit is designed for the M70a, M70q, and M920z AIOs, it's always a good idea to confirm. Also, verify the maximum RAM capacity supported by your system. While 16 GB is a sweet spot for many users, some might want to explore even higher capacities if their system allows. Installation is generally straightforward. Consult your ThinkCentre's manual for instructions on how to access the memory slots. Typically, it involves removing a panel on the back of the computer and carefully inserting the SATA modules into the slots. Make sure the modules are properly seated and secured. In terms of performance gains, expect to see a noticeable improvement in everyday tasks. Applications will launch faster, multitasking will be smoother, and you'll be able to handle larger files and datasets without experiencing slowdowns. If you're a power user who frequently works with demanding applications, this upgrade is a no-brainer. For the price, the ATEX 16GB kit offers excellent value. It's a cost-effective way to breathe new life into your Lenovo ThinkCentre M70a, M70q, or M920z AIO and extend its lifespan. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to boost your system's performance, this RAM upgrade is definitely worth considering. It's a reliable, compatible, and affordable solution that can make a real difference in your daily computing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.